an opportunity for an immediate ceasefire that can bring hostages home, that can dramatically increase the amount of humanitarian assistance getting into Palestinians who so desperately need it, and can also set the conditions for an enduring resolution. And it is on Hamas to make decisions about whether it is prepared to engage in that ceasefire. But throughout, including the original ceasefire that we were able to achieve last year that brought hostages home and created a week's quiet, humanitarian assistance doubling during that time, Qatar played, along with Egypt, the critical role in getting us to that point, and it continues to do so now. It's also urgent, irrespective of the ceasefire, to dramatically increase the humanitarian assistance that's getting to people inside of Gaza. The situation for children, for women, for men who are caught in this crossfire Hamas is making inside of Gaza is unacceptable and unsustainable. Israel has to maximize every possible means, every possible method of getting assistance to people who need it.
Qatar, United States, and our partners will be always persistent to make sure that this deal happens, despite whoever is trying to undermine the efforts of bringing peace. We want to bring peace. We want to see an end of the humanitarian suffering. We want to see the hostages back with their families. And hopefully today will present us an opportunity to discuss further in details about the development on that front and on the bigger picture. And of course, ultimately hoping to reach a just solution for the Palestinian people, also to get their own state at the end of the day.